Okay, learner, we will be again continuing chapter 4 of Purbanchal University Marketing for Managers and Product Life Cycle. Every product has its own life cycle where it's being developed, then introduced through commercialization and grows, it becomes mature and it declines as well. The thing is here is that we might have seen this product life cycle before as well. But here we will discuss on what will be our marketing strategy in every life cycle stages that are there. Okay. From the product development to introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. We can see we have discussed about the product development as well, uh, new product development in the last session. Now, this is now after we in the commercialization, we in the commercialization phase, we go through the introduction phase. You can see the introduction where the profitability is negative, but we our sales is rising. Then in growth, the sales is maximum. Sorry, in maturity, the growth in it's growing, and in maturity, it's maximum. Then it starts to decline as well. We as a marketer we see that the environment is changing, and as our product in the product as well there are changes that are happening according to where the lifestyle in which life cycle stage the product is. We have to have the different strategies. So these were the product development stages that we have discussed in the previous session. Now, after the commercialization, then the commercialization or the product is launched commercially, then begins the introduction phase where we say that the profitability is negative, financing is required. Yes, there is in terms of marketing, we have to have a great promotional offer because yes, we have made what the people needs, but we have to inform them that yes, we have come with a solution to their problem. We have to be able to induce them to trial our product so that they would know that it brings some solution, as well as the promotions are required so that the distributors also be confirmed, and this we can secure the distribution channels as well. The marketing strategy mainly is the pricing part and the promotion part. Yes, we have said that the main thing is that we have to inform our customer. There are rapid skimming strategies, slow skimming strategy, rapid penetration strategy, and slow penetration strategy. The skimming, like we skim the milk, we take out the butter from the milk. Similarly, in the skimming strategy, we try to have a higher price at the first, and later we would normalize the price or fix the price in a standard price. Okay. So where do we have these kind of things? Mainly in the IT sectors, ICT equipments and services. We use the rapid skimming, like for example, the mobile phone, the televisions. At the first, the technology is expensive. Later on, it becomes cheaper and affordable. For the rapid skimming, what's the difference between skimming is that, but what's the difference between rapid skimming and slow skimming? In the rapid skimming, we launch the product as higher price and we do massive high promotion. But in slow skimming, yes, we put the higher price, but we do not promote it more. Rapid penetration is opposite of skimming. In skimming, we used to first launch a product at a higher price, then lower its price to the affordable rate. But in the penetration strategy, what is there that we would launch the product in a lower price. If we are launching the product at a lower price and doing heavy promotion, talking about what we are doing, then it's called the rapid penetration. And if we have a low price but low promotion, then it's called the slow penetration strategy. The growth stage is marked by the climb in cells, like we said. We have talked about the different adoption category in the earlier class, that the early adopter and the middle majority, they would adopt that product, which is the major chunk of the adopter category. Similarly, when there is good sales, then the new competitors will also be there, and we have to introduce new features because we have to counter the moves of the competitors. We have to increase the distribution outlets so that we can increase the reach or expand the market. Okay, so and the price in mainly in the growth, it should not go up, but or it should not change much. But if we can, because we can gain the economies of scale, if we are producing more, the per unit cost will decline because the fixed cost will be divided. So what happens is that can we might be able to lower that price rather. Okay, then the sales is rise faster, sales to promotion ratio is less. Yes, we again promote in the growth stage. Cannot say that we should not promote. We should promote, but we it's in terms of the sales proportion, it's less. So what is the marketing strategy? Yes, we have to improve the product quality. Since we have more sales, then more and more competitors will be attracted. So what happens is that we focus more on product quality, add new product features, enter new markets, go for a new distribution channel. We have to increase the rates. Okay, now we are not just focusing on awareness, but bring about the product conviction and produce more sales. Okay, so we can also go for other new brand, which can also go for test the newer level. Okay, maybe price sensitive customer, or can also go for the premium level as well. Next comes the maturity stage, where the product growth rate slows down. Okay, it lasts longer. Okay, and it's a formidable challenge to marketing management because we might be on the strategic drift. We might not be moving according to the environmental changes that are there. Maturity stage can be the growth maturity, stable maturity, and decaying maturity. Growth maturity, where the cells growth rate is there, but it may start to decline because of the distribution saturation. In the stable maturity, it will be par on to what was in the last year or the year before. So there is not much changes. In decaying maturity, we can see that there is somewhat growth. We have cells, but the sales start to decline if we compare it with the previous sales records. Okay, what can we go for this maturity stage? Then we can go for the market modification and go for new markets. Okay, we can go for the product modification, new features can be added, and marketing mix modification, maybe in the promotion aspect, maybe in the distribution aspect, we can make changes. So how can we modify the market? We can convert the non-users to users. Okay, in the same market, some of people are not using it. We might motivate to use our products, enter the new segments. Okay, winning the competitors consumers, or sometimes we can get the current brand users to use more of our increase the annual uses. In the product modification, we can choose to have quality improvements, add new features, style improvement, packaging improvements. So these can be done. In the marketing mix modification, yes, we can focus on not just the product and the distribution. We can go for the pricing and the promotion mix modification as well. And there comes the decline stage, where the sales may decline rapidly because of the technological advances. Consumer shifts are there, domestic and foreign competitions are there. Okay, so these might make a halt to the growth, as well as there can be lead to overcapacity and the increased price cutting and the profit erosions. Okay, so what can it do? Sometimes the company shift to the other parts, as well as some withdraw from the market as well. So what is the marketing strategy in the decline stage? Okay, company faces number of tasks and decision to handle the aging products. Okay, so they can either maintain product without any change. They can harvest, they can use it at cash cow if there is there, or they can continue. If they have to continue, they have to have this special marketing strategy, new marketing strategy as well. So this is there in this chapter. Okay, this is the part 3 that marks the end of the chapter 4 of marketing for managers of Purbanchal University. Thank you.